himself a real backer. Got the Harley t-shirt, the do-rag, the little skull helmet. Pretty sure he's got Harley Davidson gloves. He sure the fuck does. An All-American. He got them All-American turn signals too. Look at that. You got that All-American goatee. That guy's fucking hardcore America. Not gonna lie, I do like his shoes though. They look comfortable. Way more comfortable than mine.
I can't wait to listen to the sun, to go outside and not be the only one. But the sun will stay when I'm inside. So in my mind, I'm with my friends, just having fun. Until we move on.
What's going on, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. Kind of go for a little sunset ride to kind of recap you guys on what's been going on, because I know I've been slacking. Man, I've been slacking with the postings. I've been slacking with Instagram. Anyways, yeah, just been busy with life, and I just want to recap you guys on what's been going on, because I've gone on a handful of really cool rides lately, but I've been having audio issues. So I recently upgraded to a new mic. I'm using a Rode lavalier mic, which should be an upgrade from the Purple Panda, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. Is it too loud? Is it too soft? I've been trying to adjust the position of the mic to be more inside the cheek pad, because when it's closer to my mouth, it just sounds really, really loud. And when I'm riding this thing, I yell because I can't hear myself. So the audio just comes out kind of weird. But let me know what you think. Do I sound clear? Should I adjust the mic a little bit? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, so what's been going on? So recently, myself, Ghostninjasd, and Mr. Warbeard went on another 1K in a day ride. If you don't know what that is, it's 1,000 miles in 24 hours. You document your progress along the way. And good times, man. We left the LA area, ended up going to Reno. Yeah, we left the LA area, ended up going towards Reno, and then west towards Sacramento, and then south again past San Francisco all the way back to LA. Really long ride. Man, like the distance wasn't so bad, but man, it was cold. It was really cold. And of course, I documented the whole thing, but had some audio issues, so I wasn't able to make a full video out of it. But you know what? If you really want to get a feel for what this trip was like, and the thought process, the pleasure and the pain behind all of it, and just get a good feel for it, I suggest you go watch Ghostninjasd's video. Man, he did a good job. Really proud of the way this video came out. I'm gonna leave a link in the comments box. Please go check it out right now. You know what? I don't even care if you don't watch the rest of this video. You need to go watch that video and subscribe to his channel. He's not paying me to say that. But man, I am really proud of him for making this video. He had an idea and was able to see it through to completion, and sometimes that's really hard to do. Just go check it out. Just go watch this video. All right, so what's up next? My cousin Chris bought his first motorcycle the other day, which was really exciting, and he invited me along. And it was really cool to be able to see that excitement, like on someone else's face. I remember when I bought my first bike, like how excited I was about, like, being one of the cool kids, I guess. But just knowing that this is a whole new adventurous world that's going to be opened up for me, and I got a brand new toy. It's really cool shit. So here's some footage of Chris getting his brand new bike. I think, if I remember correctly, he got a Ninja 650S, which is, in my opinion, is probably one of the best bikes he could have gotten. He could have went out and bought brought anything, you know. But he played it smart, got something that he knew was gonna be reliable and you know, allow him to get some technique down. So good for you, Chris. Here is a little bit of Chris and his new bike.
Oh snap! There it is.
First bike. Yep.
Oh, look at this happy guy underneath the mask. That big ass smile.
Yeah, you can see cheesing. I'm happy as a mug, guys. Thank you so much, man.
I'm so happy that you got this as your first bike.
Thank you, man. I was thinking of getting the 600, and I rode it home the first time, and I'm glad I didn't get a 600.
Man, if you guys ever make a trip to San Diego, you know, if you've never been here before, I suggest you come out here to Sunset Cliffs. Just absolutely beautiful. It's probably one of the best spots in San Diego to watch the sunset. Just some spectacular views, both on and off land, if you know what I mean. And man, it's just a really gorgeous place. Man, this is a good way to end the day. This is a good way to end the week. Anyways, that's all I got for right now. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll catch you guys next time. Be safe out there.